A long time ago, people believed in something called the geocentric model, which means that our Earth was the center of everything, the universe, a time when they thought every star, planet, and even the sun orbited around Earth. This made sense to them, as when we look at the sky, it seems like the sun rises, moves, and sets. The moon and stars also seem to go around us. Ancient Greeks, such as Plato, Aristotle, and the Greco-Roman astronomer Claudius Ptolemy, greatly believed in the geocentric views. Ptolemy even created a comprehensive geocentric model called the Ptolemaic system, showing that planets moved on epicycles, a small circular orbit within the deferens, which are a larger circular orbit around the Earth. This explained why planets sometimes appear to slow down, move backward, and then resume their normal path. You want to know what's interesting? Their idea was actually accepted by everyone. Even the church agreed. They believed that man held a central position among all beings in the universe. But then, a courageous astronomer named Aristarchus suggested a revolutionary idea. What if the sun, instead of Earth, was at the center of the universe? What if the stars were other suns, incredibly distant, that made it look like Earth was stationary? After centuries, Nicholas Copernicus supported Aristarchus' ideas and came up with a new model called the heliocentric system. In his book, De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium, he said the sun, not the Earth, was at the center, and all the planets, including Earth, moved around it in circular motion. On top of that, he explained how Earth's rotation gives us day and night, and even got the order of the planets right. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. At first, many people didn't believe him because it was so different from what they were taught and observed. Later, an Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei improved his telescope and saw amazing discoveries in the sky. He found that Jupiter had moons moving around it, strong evidence that not everything circled Earth. He also saw that Venus had phases, like the moon, which only made sense if Venus went around the sun. Another astronomer, Johannes Kepler, studied carefully, and along with the help of Tycho Brahe's data on Mars,
I spent years studying the planets using Tycho Brahe's super precise data about Mars. At first, I thought planets move in perfect circles. But guess what? They don't. Planets actually travels in oval-shaped path called ellipses. And here's something cool. They don't move at the same speed.
As they move along their elliptical path, speeding up when close to the sun and slowing down when farther away, composing the laws of planetary motion. Gradually, more people realized that the heliocentric model made more sense. They understood that Earth is not the center of everything. Instead, it is just one planet going around the sun. It showed that science can change our understanding when new evidence is found. Thanks to the great astronomers, their work became the foundation of modern astronomy. As many curious minds pondered, afterwards, we learned that the sun is actually not the center of the universe, but rather the center of our solar system and a star in the Milky Way galaxy. A big change in how people view the world. And that is the journey from the geocentric to the heliocentric model. A story teaching us about questioning what seems obvious. Just because something looks true doesn't mean it is. Careful observation and evidence can reveal the real truth.